Michigan man. Ask where I'm from and I'll show you my hands. I am, by God, I am a Michigan man. I am a Michigan man, where sleeping bears lie on the sand. Manitou has placed his hands. I am a Michigan man.
Salutations, everybody. Old Sasquatch here. Usually not this time of the day that I'm doing this, but I tell you what, that wind's a-blowing, the snow's a-going, and it is freaking cold out there, even too cold for an old Sasquatch. So I decided to do some pay dirt. Luckily, a friend of mine, Mr. Patriot Prospecting, sent me a little gift, sent me some stickers, which are fantastic looking. Love the skull. Sort of like a skull and crossbones with a shovel and a pick. And he sent me the rare Miller Prospecting Cosmic Pay Dirt. And I'm going to go through this and see what old Dylan Miller puts in his bags. So I'll be right back and we'll get this classified out. First, let's take a peek and see what's inside this. Okay. I don't know if you can make it out in there. I'm seeing a lot of garnet sand. Not too much as far as big stuff. It's all seems to be smaller stuff. This won't even have to be classified. But we'll classify it down anyways. Okay, be right back. Alrighty then. I just took it down 2 classifications this time. And right off the bat, I see some nice, pretty little chunks of meteorite. That is cool. That's the first time I've ever held a meteorite in my hand. We'll set them right off to the side. And this is my bigger than kitchen strainer size. And this is my smaller than kitchen strainer size. So I'm going to set up the panning station and we'll pan this stuff out. Be right back. So let's put some blue juice in here. A little bit of blue juice, surfactant. Keeps the tinies to the bottom. And we'll start out with the bigger than kitchen strainer size. And I'll do this Miller Prospecting style. In other words, I'm not going to use the big ripples. I'm just going to use these medium ripples. Let's get started. We're going to speed this up just a little bit and get down to the nitty of the gritty. Okay. There's gold that was in the bigger than kitchen strainer size. Let's see if Snuffy can get them. Well, I got two in there that won't go up Snuffy. So I'll have to open him up. Done. Okay. Now let's get to the smaller than kitchen strainer size. First thing I want to do, because this is Miller Prospecting. My goodness. I think Dylan's getting rid of his black dirts, black sands. Look at that. I don't want to say there's a lot of black sand in there, but there's a lot of black sand in there. And I almost guarantee you if he's put that kind of black sand in there, he's put some little fine pieces of gold in there too to go with it. So this might take a little longer than I thought. Okay, gonna speed this one up too. That way you don't hear all the cussing and swearing that's about to take place here. So here we go. There's gold right there. Okay. Let's dump this out. See what we got. Okay, that's all of it. Okay, that's all of it. We're going to let that dry and take her from there. We'll be back. Alrighty then, let's get this thing weighed up. Turn on my scale. And let's pour the gold in. Gonna let that set for a minute before it can settle down. And I'm going to call it at 0.60. So well over half a gram. That was a fun but challenging bag to do. Between all the black sands and the garnet sands that was in it, that makes it a little trickier to pan out. I will rerun my tailings through the sluice, see if I missed anything, but 0.60, I don't think I did. At least I hope I didn't. So, this fun bag from Miller Prospecting, or as he says it, Miller Prospecting, was a challenging but fun bag to go through. That said, I think Miller probably should think about selling Paydirts. Actually start to sell Paydirts. I mean, a lot of the other content creators out there do it. And I'm sure if Dylan was to do it, he would be averaging probably 70 to 80% ROIs in every bag. But that's for him to decide. So with that, I'd like to thank Patriot Prospecting for sending me this little bag, along with the little meteorites. And let's see if I can put them in there now. zero the scale. Okay, looks like I got 6.2 or 6.30 grams of meteorite. That's sort of cool. Okay, now, with that being said, old Sasquatch is out of here, so squatch out.